Hi guys, Gizel here. Welcome to another video tutorial. Today's topic is about phone validator line type standard. You guys know what a phone validation is? It is the process of checking if a phone number in your database is accurate and valid. It clarifies if a phone number is active and able to receive calls and texts. It can also distinguish real phone numbers, but today we'll focus more on identifying if a phone number is landline or cell phone and its carrier. So go to searchbug.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you have to sign up as our website is set to be self-service. Phone validator is part of our instant online searches, so you'll get the result right away. So we have to go to Lookups and identify phone number. So we have 4 categories here, and we'll choose the standard one. And this is the most affordable tool to identify the line type. The service will report the original phone number carrier and the line type. So please note that some VoIP or VoIP phone numbers may be reported as landline. So now let's try to search a number. So just enter the Canadian or US phone number in any format and then click verify. So this window will appear to remind you about the cost. Phone validator costs 2 search tokens or 2 cents per search. You may be wondering what is a search token. It's actually a micro-payment system here at Searchbug. You can purchase directly on our website and then can use that to place your searches. So once you verify the cost, click I approve. And here is the result. So this is our customer service phone number, by the way. So this is valid. Phone type is landline. Carrier is intelligent. And then the time zone is in PDT. Local calling area is in San Diego, California. So you will notice that there are 4 rows that were not searched. This is because this is only a standard phone validator. So this only checks the line type and the original carrier of a phone number. So if you want to learn more details about a phone number, you have other 3 options you can use. We also created separate tutorials for them. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.